Aryan Sharma. Today I will show you that how I indirectly blow the pipe. First I will take a balloon. See, I have a balloon. I will blow it. Done. Now I will take a pipe. I will fix the balloon's mouth in the pipe. See, like this. See, the pipe is ready. How was it? Do you know why it is happening? Because if I will directly blow the pipe like this, then it will blow. But I am indirectly blowing this, but the air is going from my mouth to the balloon, and to the balloon it is going to the pipe, and the pipe is blowing. Bye bye friends.